All right, what's going on, guys? Frankie here with an update on the weather forecast for the rest of fall here and going into winter for the inland Northwest here, including eastern Washington and North Idaho. Um, while an overall strong El Nino pattern is taking place, which means there are warmer waters than there might normally be near the equator. That equates to warmer temperatures in the Pacific and then also warmer temperatures across the northwest tier of the country. Well, while the overall forecast calls for warmer and drier conditions, temperatures to be above average overall, and precipitation to be below average overall, I do think that towards the very end of October here and going into November, we're going to see some active weather, and it could include some snow, definitely in November at least across the inland Northwest. Whether or not the snow sticks in the valleys is yet to be seen, but it happens a lot. November is usually when the snow starts to stick. So we could get a few of these storms just roll off the Pacific and give us a little bit of rain, wind, snow, kind of a mixed bag of precipitation and weather here going into November. So I want everybody to be aware of that because winter can sometimes start off with a bang, and it may do that this year, and then slowly just kind of taper off and warm up. I think December also has the potential, at least the first half of it has the potential to be active, but we may start warming things up toward the end of December into January as well, and really drying out as the storm track just continuously stays to our south after the middle of December. So don't know if we're gonna have a white Christmas this year. We'll see how far these storms extend into. It's certainly a possibility if we do see snow that late. But it's kind of looking like a before Christmas deal with most of the snow in the Northwest here. Not to say there's going to be no snow in January or February or March, but it's going to be below average, and we're going to see generally less of it. So, kind of a flip-flop with the weather here. Even though it's a strong El Nino, sometimes you can see these storms come up, and normally you just get rain within a strong El Nino in this area going into mid-November. But that by the time mid-November comes around, it's cold enough to snow usually. So we'll see what happens. Um, but that's the forecast. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.